Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to do this classic black smoky eye with a dewy finish base. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's get started. I'm using the Sugar Arch Arrival Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Cherry Brown to define and fill my eyebrows. Taking the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette and taking these three beautiful transition shades on my crease and blending them really well. Taking the Inglot black gel liner and applying it on my lid and smudging it all over my lid for that smoky effect. Now taking a black color from the same palette and applying over the smudged liner to seal it. Taking a transition color to blend any harsh lines left. Starting my base with Indulger Rose Gold Oil, which moisturizes my skin and acts as a primer as well. Taking the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in the shade Bronze to add that extra glow to my face. Now I'm applying the orange corrector on the pigmented areas of my face, that is under my eyes and around my mouth, to color correct my face. Taking the Elegant concealer in the shade Medium Beige and covering the areas where I've put the orange corrector and other areas, and blending it really well with a damp beauty blender. Using the L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade 150 and applying it all over my face and blending it really well with a beauty blender. It is one of my favorite foundations. It is a medium to full coverage foundation. Using the Elegant concealer in the shade Creamy Beige to highlight the high points of my face. Using the contour stick from Ilaha, I'm going to contour my face and blend them really well with a stippling brush. Using the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder to set my base under the eyes and dust it all over my face just a little bit. Now I'm using the same gel liner for my lower lashes and applying on my waterline and smudging it really well for a smoothed out effect. Dusting off all the excess powder from my face. I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara to define my eyelashes. Now using the Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics to powder contour my face. Now I'm applying the Fusion Trio blush from Kiko in the shade 3. And locking my base with a Makeup Revolution setting spray in Dewy finish and using my favorite highlighter from Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Taking the shimmer pigments from the palette, I'm going to apply it on my inner corners and highlight my brow bone as well. Taking a nude shade from the ABH lip palette and applying it on my lips. Finishing off the look with the eyelashes and glossy lips. That's it for today guys. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Hit that red button below and give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section what did you guys like about it and what else do you want to see. See you next time. Bye.